This is the demonstration of MM-Pro, Mining and Mineral Production Monitoring app. We use OTP codes which are sent to mobile number to log into the application. Let's log into the system as a GSMB license officer. License officer can search licenses by license number, location or owner's name. Let's search a license by license number. Here you can see the license details such as license number, owner's name, capacity in cubes, validity period, location and mobile number. The license officer can update the license information if needed. GSMB license officer can add a new license by going to this interface. He can also register a new license owner. Now, let's log in as a mining license owner. He can view his license list and search licenses. The details of a license can be seen with owner's name, due royalty amount, capacity, validity period, location, status, used capacity and remaining capacity. He can dispatch a load from here. To dispatch a load, the mining license owner should specify the vehicle number, capacity, destination and driver's contact number. After submitting, he can take a printout of the license details if needed. The license owner can also view a history of dispatch loads. If a license doesn't have any remaining cubes, it will be shown like this. After a load is dispatched, a confirmation SMS will also be sent to the lorry driver. Now let's log in as a police officer. He can check a vehicle number for validity. If it is a valid lorry with a license, he can view the details of the license. If the lorry doesn't have a license, it will be indicated like this. The police officer can report to GSMB or other relevant authorities. Now let's log in as GSMB management. GSMB management will get a dashboard like this with overall statistics. Now let's log in as general public. We can check a lorry number from here. If it is a valid lorry number, it will be indicated like this. If it is a lorry with an illegal load, the general public can report to GSMB or other relevant authorities.